Have you ever wondered what it would be like to drive worry-free from speeding tickets? In this video, I'll walk you through the concealed radar laser system we completed on the C8 Corvette. Here is Redenzo's built-in radar system paired with AL Priority laser jammers, which are universal systems that we modify to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle. The front of the vehicle has 4 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining the speed from ahead. We fabricated housings that are outlined in purple for the laser jammers to aesthetically blend into the bumper without any modifications. Preliminary testing with multiple laser guns allows us to determine the best combination of laser jammers and placement. After extensive testing, our setup for the front and rear of the Corvette will jam all laser guns used by law enforcement. The front radar antenna that is outlined is mounted behind the bumper to a fabricated bracket and provides you with alerts when there are threats ahead. The GPS antennas outlined are also behind the front bumper mounted to a 3D printed bracket. The rear of the vehicle has 2 laser jammers mounted above the license plate, discreetly behind a single lens that is outlined. The fabricated housing was CAD designed and eliminates the need for modifying the bumper when routing the wires. There are 2 more laser jammers mounted to a 3D printed bracket that locates the jammers outlined in the outer grills. This setup provides optimal placement for the jammers to prevent a law enforcement laser gun from obtaining your speed from the rear. The rear radar antenna outlined is concealed behind the bumper to a bracket and will alert you of threats from behind. The Redenzo display controller was flush mounted into the overhead panel and can easily be returned to stock if removed. The components that go under the dash were mounted to a fabricated bracket and the wires were shortened and labeled for serviceability. After every install, the system is tested again with multiple laser guns to verify everything is working properly. You can see in these clips the gun is unable to get a speed until the laser jammers are turned off. With this system, the laser jammers are programmed to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off. So you are alerted and have a chance to slow down before law enforcement can obtain the speed. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please give us a phone call or send an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.